Want to check if your WhatsApp is linked to another device? Here's how to see and remove linked devices. It's important to check this regularly because linked devices can access your messages and conversations. Let's start with iPhone. Open WhatsApp. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Now tap Linked Devices. Here you'll see a list of all devices connected to your WhatsApp account. For example, WhatsApp Web on Chrome, a Mac using Safari, Windows Computer. You'll also see when they were last active. If you want more details, tap on any device. You can see additional info like activity status. To remove it, tap Log Out. Confirm your choice. That device is now unlinked and no longer has access to your WhatsApp. Now on Android, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right. Select Linked Devices. From there, you can review and remove devices the same way. And that's it. That's how you check if WhatsApp is linked to another device and remove access if needed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp privacy tips.